How to create your first app in Django. First we have to create a project. Run this command to create a new project named My Site. The project is created. This is our project folder. Let me check the files and folders in our project. These are the folders and files in our project. Next, create default database and table. cd to our project folder. Run this command to create the default database and tables. This is the database that we created. Next, verify your Django project. Use this command to run development server. Then go to this link . This means your first Django project is ready. Thank you.